Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you've been following my progress, you know this is my fourth video. And when I started this whole thing, I didn't know if I'm gonna continue this or not. And by the end of the third video, I ran out of old and broken jewelry. So I've been back and forth on the internet trying to find a lot where I would have broken, discarded jewelry. And I was so lucky to come across a huge lot of broken jewelry from Marks and Spencer. As you can see, it's like per-una, which you can always find in Marks and Spencer. And lucky me, I don't have to wash them. These are all new jewelry. They were just broken, probably in the boxes, or they were on display before, I don't know, but they all seem to be clean. But as you can see, they are all broken. I've even kept this beads that have been fallen. They've been just in the bottom of the box. They're all fallen apart. I'm just gonna go through quickly. There are some big stones here, some beads. I don't know what it was before. I can't really tell because they're just pieces of broken jewelries. There's some nice tassel here. This was probably a bracelet. This was probably a necklace. See, they have really nice clasps on them. So I'm gonna keep them all and try to make something out of it. Here's another tassel, probably from the necklace. I don't know what these are from, but I could probably make a pair of decent earrings. Another necklace with missing pendant. This was probably, I don't know, could be a necklace or bracelet. Another missing piece from something. A long necklace with missing pendant. I might just add a pendant from here or something. And a couple more necklaces. They're all in the same theme. You can tell that they're all yellow amber tone necklaces, and they're all set in bronze. I'm really liking this, so I want to see what I can do with it. Probably most pieces I'm just gonna fix and not take them apart, because here, look, this is such a gorgeous chain, so I might just add a pendant here. So I'm really excited. I have tons of this jewelry, so in the coming videos you'll be seeing same contents, but I will try to make different pieces of jewelry so you get better ideas of what you can do if you have broken jewelry at home. You might have a necklace with missing pendant. You can always just add something to it. You don't have to take the whole necklace apart to make something out of it. And then of course I have my leftovers box. I have a lot of things in it. I'm not gonna go through the contents of it. If you want to see where I got them and where they were leftovers, you can check out in my channel my previous videos, and make sure you subscribe if you want to see more of this. Okay guys, I'm just gonna get to work quickly and show you what I made. Hey boys and girls, it's all ready. This was a very easy project because unlike my previous projects, I just had to combine stuff. It's not beaded jewelry like I did before. It was just broken pieces of Marks and Spencer per-una jewelry. So I just had to use my imagination and try to combine them. So I ended up with a selection of really nice jewelry. So let me show you here. I have this one. Very gorgeous. This was separate, so I think this used to be bracelet, but anyway, I decided it would look better on a necklace, and I think I made the good choice here. It looks really nice. It has a bit asymmetric here, but nothing wrong with that. You don't always have to have everything same, so I'm quite happy with the result here. It has really nice toggle clasp and some tiny bronze beads, and I think it's just nice and gorgeous looking necklace. The next one is a very long necklace with tassel pendant. I really like long necklaces, so here, as you can see, I used the beads from my previous project, so leftovers were handy here again. These beads, tiger eye beads, were in the collection. They were just random beads lying around, and I used them as well. And here's this gorgeous tassel. It has this one stone missing, so I tried to match it. It doesn't look almost the same, but unless you don't know it's there, it almost blends. So I'm really happy with this necklace. It's very long. I love long necklaces. It's just comfortable to wear with anything, literally. And the colors, black and amber, look very nice together. The next one, what is this? Long necklace here with a tassel here. So this necklace was almost complete. It just had missing parts here, so I added this tassel that was also lying separately. And I think The combination looks nice. I really love the chain here made of rondelles. It's not Swarovski, I think they're plastic, but the color wise they're still very pretty, and I'm very happy with the result here. This bracelet was just broken, so it didn't have the elastic in it, so I just added elastic and brought it back to life. It's a really nice looking bracelet. Another necklace I made is this one. So I had 3 necklaces like this lying in the project, and I decided to make different things. I added a pendant here. I had 3 different pendants like this, but they all had missing stones, so I sacrificed 2 of them. So I had this one hole, and you can see this metal, big crystal in the middle. I took one of them and put in this one. So everything is handy, guys, everything. Don't throw away anything. You can still take apart things, take the crystals, glue them different places, and you get really nice looking combinations. So to this one, I took apart another necklace that had these parts here and made matching earrings. Long drop earrings. Really nice. They match very well with this one. It's not extremely long, as you can see, just sneaks snug on your neck. And then I have matching long earrings. Another necklace I made is a bit different. It has a lot of small charms in it, but nevertheless, I think I got it right. It looks beautiful. As you can see, it has really nice, a lot of small details to it. Took me a while to get it done, but in the end, I'm happy with the result. So one more, I have this last necklace. So I had 3 of this, right? I used one here for the earrings, matching necklace, and to keep things different, I decided to make this one a bit simple. So I just added a bit of little charms here, and then I just have this simple petite small necklace. I think I got things right. I'm very happy with the results. I tried to keep them all different, even though, as you can tell, they were almost same parts with same types of jewelry, but I didn't want to have same looking ones and tried to keep things different. And in the end, I just have small things left. I had this tassel. I didn't know what to do with it. It had 1 stone missing. First, I thought to make a bag charm, like key charm, but it's very hard to match it because it has this black gunmetal and all this other stuff is bronze, except for this long necklace. But here I was lucky to have this, what do you call, charcoal beads. So it matched very well here. But this one, I didn't know what to do with it, so I'm just gonna keep it in my leftovers box and use it in the upcoming projects. And here, I just have some beads left. That's all it is. So I used almost everything and came up with really nice necklaces and bracelet and a pair of earrings. And then all this is just gonna go to my leftovers box. Guys, I hope you really liked this video. Subscribe if you want to see something like this in the future. Like the video if you liked it. Leave your comments if you have any. And I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye.